Hi, this is a mini crank case, and this is one of the things against which you need to test your abilities of drawing. So this is how it looks like. So the dimensions are in millimeters. So I'm not gonna waste your time. Here you need to remember that this is gonna take time, all right? But it's not a huge problem. So we come here, and then in here, what we're gonna do is we start with a rectangle, all right? So there is our rectangle. There it goes like that, and then it comes there. And the next thing that you need to do is to draw this line. There is your line. There is your line. And again, now you need to know that the angle from there up to there need to be 30 degrees. That need to be 30 degrees. So I can take this one and bring it back there. Okay, 30 degrees. And I want now to draw this line. There is my line. Okay, there is my line. And I want now this one here to be, as per the drawing, 6.351. Thank you. And I want now from there up to the to be 11. That is 11. Thank you, because of the angle and stuff like that. So I come here, I draw my other rectangle. Let's see there we go. And again, I want from there to there to be 30 degrees. That needs to be 30 degrees. All right, 30 degrees. Okay, so now I want again from there up to there. Come on, I want from there up to there to be 11. That need to be 11. Great. So once that is 11, I come here and I trim the spots. Okay, cancel. What I can do is I can just delete it. Delete that one, delete this one, delete that one, delete this one. Which one did I delete? Sorry for that. I need to delete this only. So delete that one, delete this one, delete that one, delete that one. Right. So once I have those ones, I'm gonna come here and then go with a normal rectangle. This normal rectangle here. Right. This is my rectangle. And I want now, as per the drawing, that one they need to be 22 millimeters, and I need to have this line here for guidance. There is my line, and I want now from there up to there to be 11. That need to be 11. Again, you can drag this line back there. Don't worry, you can drag this line back there. And this one here need to be 3 millimeters. That need to be 3 millimeters. All right. And again, from there up to here, that need to be 17. That need to be 17. Thank you. So which means these lines here need to go up to there. This one as well up to there. All right. So once I get that one, I'm gonna go now for the circles. I need 3 circles. So that's the first, that's the second, and that's the third. So now, as per the drawing, the sizes are actually the distance from the center up to the bottom need to be 7.5 millimeters. What did I say? 7.5 millimeter. 7.5 millimeter it is. All right. So and then once I finish with that, I'm gonna come here and trim this spot. I need to trim that spot. I need to trim this spot and that spot. I need to trim that spot. All right. And again, I need to delete this line, that one, and this one. So once I have, come on, you two. So once I have that one, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go in 3D model and say extrude. So now I need to extrude this whole part. This needs to be extruded by 15 millimeters. So that needs to be extruded by 15 millimeters. So you come back here, you say sketch visibility on. So once the visibility is on, you go extrude again. So you want to extrude that spot. That spot needs to be extruded on the other side now, not by 15 millimeters, but by 6.5, 6.5 millimeters. Great. All right. So great. So once that is done, so you need that port as well. So that port here need to come this side. Need to come inside by 2 millimeter. Come on, by 2 millimeter. Let me come there. By 2 millimeter. That's enough. 2 millimeters only. So now you have your whole part. Now you have that. So here now, what you have to do now, you have to come here and say new sketch. So once we here, you need to come up with a rectangle. There is my rectangle. I come up with a rectangle there. And I want now, come on, you need to go up. You need to come up to there. Come here, up to there. Now, you're going to waste my time. So I'm going to have to delete, or I can just go back. I can just go back. All right. Go back again. So now I'm going to have to draw a rectangle. So that rectangle need to start from there, okay, up to there. I don't want to blow my chance. So here I need to make sure that, come on, this distance, yeah, that's great, that's correct. So now what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna have to draw this circle. There is my circle, okay, and again from there up to here, that one need to be 6.35. Thank you. And now from there up to there, that one need to be 6.5 as per drawing. 6.5. Okay, so once I have that one in place, I come now with this rectangle. You know, oh come on, I need to give the dimension of this circle. So this circle need to be 9 millimeters. That need to be 9 millimeters. So after that, I need to come off this rectangle. So there is my rectangle. You know what is the use of this rectangle very soon. And this one need to be as the same size as the diameter of my circle. I got that one. So I come here, I draw my first circle. My first, my second, my third, and my fourth. And this one here need to be 2 millimeters. That need to be 2 millimeters. Come here. That need to be 2 millimeters. That need to be 2. Okay, and this need to be equal to that. That one need to be equal to this, and this need to be equal to that. Okay, so I delete that one, I delete this one, I delete that one, I delete that one as well. So once I have that one, then I'm gonna have to extrude. Okay, or I can just, yeah, I'm gonna have to extrude. So I'm gonna come in, then I say extrude. So I want to cut this part. I need to cut this part by 5 millimeters. So I need to have a hole. So I need to go inside and say cut by 5 millimeters. I say thank you. Okay. So again, I need to see my sketch visibility on. I come here on extrude again. So I want this part and that part, this one and that one. So I need to cut them by 2 millimeters inside. Then I say cut, that is cut, and then I say okay. So once I finish that side, I'm gonna come now this side, then I say new sketch. Thank you. So this side as well, I do the same very thing. So I come here, I start with my rectangle. There is my rectangle. Okay, this is just to help me go faster and easier. So there is my circle, and this one here need to be 9 millimeters. That need to be 9 millimeters, and again from here up to there, that need to be 6.35, which is half of 12.7, And now from here up to there, now this needs to be 6.5. You can see this one is going that side, this horn, this one is going the other side, and this one here need to be, oh, it is 9 millimeters, sorry for that. So I need to come now with my rectangle. There is my rectangle, right? So there is my rectangle. You got it right, eh? You got it right. Now that need to be 9 millimeters, so that need to be 9 millimeters on the side here. I need to have 9, so it's square now. So I come here, I draw my circles. So I need to have my first circle there, I need to have my second there, then my third circle here, and my fourth. So now I need to give dimensions. So this one here, according to the drawing, that need to be 2 millimeters. So that is 2 millimeters. And this one need, come on, and now this need to be equal to that, right? And this one need to be equal to that. That one need to be equal to that. So once I'm done there, I'm gonna have to delete this, delete that one, delete this one, delete this one. All right, come on, you too. Great. So now I go then 3D model, I say extrude. So I come here, I want to extrude this part here. I want to extrude this part inside. Now 5 millimeters cut inside, that is cut. I say okay. All right. So I come back here, I say visibility on. Once the visibility is on, I go extrude again. So I cut, come on, this part, that part, that one, and that one. So I need to cut with how much? How much was that? 3 millimeters. So 3 millimeter inside cut. Then I say, was it 3 millimeter? Let me confirm that though. Yes, that is 3 millimeter. Then I say, okay. So that is done. I come there. I say remove visibility there, remove visibility here, remove visibility there. Thank you. So this is how your drawing looks like. So now you need to kill this. So that one and this one, I need to have a fillet. This side as well, I need to have a fillet. Come on, a fillet of 2. That's 2. Thank you. So look at how beautiful your drawing looks like. This is a pleasure of mine sharing this video with you. So it's well performed. So here, if you want to share the material, you can come here. This needs to be cast iron, definitely. Okay, maybe I don't know much, but I know it's cast iron. So that's actually it's a cast iron. Not saying about I don't know much. So this is how it needs to be. So now you can see now this is how your drawing looks like, right? So this is a good thing to do. So this is a mini crank case. Okay, this is a mini crank case. As I said, this is the thing that you need to test your ability against. All right. So it was a pleasure of mine sharing this video with you. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that you're gonna enjoy it. For now, I'm gonna ask you to take care of yourself and see you on the next video. Bye.